So we can go back to vehicle.
Transformers reviews, tech and the news, whatever else I use as a muse. Hit subscribe, I appreciate the views. Influences interest on YouTube.
Take the gun out if you haven't already. Fold this thumb like that and this like this. I never changed this hand. I would just make sure the arm's bent, and then you can lift this up like that. You can push this in. Does it automatically come out? Nope. Push the siren light out and then push this in and close it. You can move this shoulder like this and then close this double joint it up into the top.
Subscribe.
Very tight, so be careful. Super tight, super tight. That joint right there is tight. But what you're trying to do is get this piece tabbed in up there. There you go. Tab that in. Get over here, keep this bent so you can open this. Move that light out. Flip that in there. Oh shoot. Make sure it's straight. I had it kind of crooked, so wasn't going to do right. This one's a little better. Up there, just have it like this. Now just get all this stuff out of here. Move that down. You can move this up, pull this. It's tabbed on, the head is tabbed on right in the back. So open up that, kind of. You can do that. You might as well just leave that out there like this now. Then move this back out of there. It's tabbed in right there. Then you can flip this back up and undo the windows. Just keep it like this for now. You can move this out too if you would like. Move this around here and leave it like that. Now you want to move these arms. Well, you want to get this out right here. It's folded around and you can kind of move it out like that and move this out like this to get it out of the cavity. Now you can flip this head back in, move it around, flip it in. Then you can move these down like this. And they're moved up on these joints. Move these in there like this. With this, get them arms around all this stuff, because then you're gonna move this around here like this, up there. And this got to be up and down like that, and again over here. And you're trying to get it around a lot of this stuff. So you see, you kind of get it like this. You can move these. You have to move this so it's up top. Move these little seats so they're straight up. That's what they are. Seats. And then this kind of moves behind it. And you see how that turns. It's hard to show, but it's going to be like this. And then this one, you're going to want to get to that point too. And how you can tell is, see if I can show it a little better. This seat back here, it's up, so it needs to go, this needs to be pointed up. You can see that. Point this up. And then all of this seat, this should be in back of this seat. So when you're turning this around, and you know these go up and the arms tab together. So that's how you have to get it. So spin that around like this. Then when you're spinning this around, watch out for this, because it's all types of stuff that it'll stop. And you can kind of bend that down like that, and you see all this, and then the top is gonna go together. And then you have the top up here. Now with these things pointed out where it's supposed to go, then you can move this up and tab these in here. You know you have it right if the tab fits in and it kind of seats in there. Line up the fenders and all that. You know you have it right. So let's get this part. Make sure this is pulled up here too. We can get it in a minute after we line it up. It's not like that because it's not lined up correctly. Like that. Now this you want to move back down to the starting position, because then it moves these closer together in order to peg it in. There's two pegs right here that peg in on these two holes. Move that up, peg that in there, and that goes in pretty well. Then you can bring this back down. I forgot to turn this. So if you do that, you don't have to take everything apart. Just pull these arms up. To tell you the truth, they're not on too great anyway right now. So you just pull them up. The hardest part about pulling them up is the elbow. And then you can just turn this around how it's supposed to go. And then you're supposed to have it in here. Then you pull this down here, and this, if this is out, then they can go on right here. Put that on there, and then this should go right there. And you need to move these arms back down. And all this stuff, just, you can kind of figure it out. It's certainly intuitive enough. Like that. Move these doors in there. And there we go. The front of the vehicle. Now you want to get these legs, which are obese. But they're probably easier this way. So pop this. I haven't done this yet, so hopefully it's easier. I'm not sure. So pop that. Get everything untabbed. There's tabs, or it should be. This should be tabbed in. Just move the legs, put the heel spur in, move this out like this. This stuff here kind of should be tabbed in. It's probably not. Especially now that you're moving all this stuff around. And what you're going to do is, you already moved this up. You kind of move this in. The knee right here, this stuff will go automatic. And what you're doing right here is you can move that out farther, and then you're trying to get this around here, but there you go. Is that a peg? It's not really, I don't know if that's a peg or not. It's not really a peg, but you can see, get this out of here like that, and then you can, once you side this, you can move this out. This right here goes out. Don't move it too far, but it's out far enough so you can move this around and get it around the stuff that you need to get it around. Then we're going this way because it's just easier. I think you can go the other way, but it's just easier. So once you clear this, then you can start to move this up so you can clear the back part of all of this. And then just watch all this stuff. Like, there's a lot of stuff you got to watch out for. And then just move this, get this around here, and move it up like that. Move this leg in, or this foot, I should say. You already did the heel spur. Then you can kind of see it start to come together. And then this moves up. Get this in, which is the piece that kind of fills out the knee and robot part. And it's just enough space if you have this piece like that, and then you can move this piece all the way, because then it's gonna go up, but not yet. So now it's easy. It's just getting the knee where you need it and all of that, and you can kind of get pegs to get them where you need them. Then you can start to see how all this stuff is going to fit in and go and be done. So over here, same thing. Just first get the stuff unpegged. Wait, where's the peg at? Pegs on this side. Should be pegged in the up top here. Also this, I'm sorry. Pull the front up first a little bit, and then you can get all this stuff, or kind of try to get it unpegged. And once you get that, move this in. Then you can kind of move this stuff out. Well, not out, but you know, move it like that. So then you can move this around here like that. Now you should be able to get this around here. Move it like that. So maybe from this angle you can see it better, but you move this up like that, and once you get it cleared, then you can kind of move it back to clear the rest of this stuff. Then just move this all the way up. Make sure you put this foot in. Almost forgot again. It is hard, so hold it, be careful. It's on a lot of flimsy joints, and you just move this in all the way. Like you want to spin this around. Then there's a like mushroom peg at the top, and this one goes underneath. So now you just want to get this together right here. You can move that. See how that is? Move that, and then move that in, and get this top right here. So get that on it. Get this. Is there another tab? No, it's just these two tabs. So this kind of sandwiches. I see what I'm doing wrong. There's a peg that goes into the side of the skirt. For some reason, I don't have that peg lined up. So I guess that's where the lineup is, where it should be. If you get that into that side skirt, it should be good. Yeah, there we go. And that's, yeah, that's it. That's why. It's still a mess, but right there, that's one of the reasons. That's why I wasn't lining up correct. Then you can move this down here like this, and it should fit underneath the sides here. Kind of bend it over a little, and then underneath. And that wasn't fitting right if all this wasn't together how it should be. Now you can put this together. And up in there. And last is the bumper. So over under, so just move that over and under, and it kind of keeps that together. And that's how the back stays pretty much. I could never get this to close completely, so there's that. And here we are. Then you can store the weapon, fold it up. It just sits in here. It's not really pegged in. Close that. There you are. All right, thanks for watching.
Life ain't over. Life ain't over. Life ain't over. As long as you're alive, you can give another try and take it real high if you want.